we achieved the great dopamine increase that comes from this incredible thing, which I personally enjoy, being able to communicate by phone, by text, and exchange pictures and send links and these kinds of things, social media. But then what happens is it doesn't have that same fulfilling aspect to it. And it tends to remove the excitement and the pleasure of the very activities that we are engaged in. So I know this is a hard one for many people, but I do invite you to try removing multiple sources of dopamine release, or what used to be multiple sources of dopamine release, from activities that you want to continue to enjoy or that you want to enjoy more.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will do a trade with the candlestick analysis that you can learn on my ebook. So let's start it. This is the M1, so I have here with the MT4 application for Forex market, Euro USD. So this is the broker, the other broker I mean. So I use two broker for comparison only, okay? So when they printed the different candle, and then I have to avoid to trade because there is no confidence in that, okay? So how do you analyze the trade? Very simple. What happened after this candle? This is a put option, okay? Honestly, why you can know now this is the put option? Let's see, wait. This is a doji. Okay, this is clearly a put option because it's very big from the other candle and it's called for the retracement candlestick. So I will do a put option and it pretty much sure will be a bearish one because in 3 candle it should be a bearish one because it's not aligned with this trend. So you just do a put option there. But after that, I don't know, okay? So this is a huge candle lost momentum, alright? And basically here just a simple step that I'm doing. Just using 3 candlestick to identify only one candlestick because this is M1, alright? So I will explain it this, okay? What happened in the previous candle? You have to know that. So let's wait this to be finished. Okay, that is what happened. So why I can make sure it's a put even the candle is still not closing. Okay, so you have to understand the context of the market. Here the context of the market is still in ranging. You see why this happening uptrend, why this is the minor downtrend. This is ranging even when the EMA is like pointing up, but here you see the EMA is still in down position and happen this candle is so big from the all 200 candlestick. This is so big, so it's called for the retracement. And then the other analysis that you need was the 3 candle analysis, which you can use the combination candle, something like this, okay? So if you predict this candlestick, all right, you have to make at minimum 3 candle, maybe 2, maybe 3, okay? I familiar with 3 candles. So what I'm doing is like this, okay, in my brain, not in here, okay? So this is what is this candle? This is a doji, okay? This was a bearish doji in 3. This is a bearish upper and lower shadow, okay? And here was like uptrend, but here was a downtrend. You see, opening here, closing, okay? So this kind of 3 black crows, and the next candle after this small, this is not showing the first candle is not showing kind of fake breakout because fake breakout happened here, so that is not your zone. So this is not doing anything, is a weak, and this is so big, okay, so bullish. So what the probability, the nice probability for the third candle, 1 2 3, this is should be a put, okay, should be a sell option, because it's still against this trend. One candle for breaking out, how many this is kind of 9 candlestick in this kind of ranging, it should be a put, okay. That is the market reading, how to read the candlestick prediction. Now you have to understand that. Okay, that is my first entry. So I take time to describing to you, explaining, okay, what happening. So now you have to understand this, okay. If you want to predict the next candlestick, you have to understand the at least the 6 before it, okay. Okay, for example, this is running candlestick, so I will not predict that candlestick, okay, but I have to calculate the candlestick before it. Like if I want to predict this candlestick probably after this one, so I should calculate this as a bearish, okay, and this is as a bullish, okay. Sorry, this is so bullish, and the major was uptrend. So what is the probability of the next candlestick? Okay, here has to be has a probability of consolidation, okay. After this candle, this is a bearish, what is could be happen? It could be a doji, it could be a bearish, it could be a bullish. Always that probability happen. Let's see what happening. You see happening a bearish candlestick. And then you need to find the concept of higher high, higher low, and then you have to determine with the context if this have a probability to fail or not. Okay, this is not have the setup, so you have to wait, because the setup has to be in position. So here we don't find any higher high, higher low, or lower high, lower low, so we still waiting. So the major is still up in uptrend, but this is not so uptrend. You see, moving down. This is uptrend with ranging, and this is very dangerous for the CBB or continuation. If this was a bearish one, let's see what is happening. No, so we still not have anything. Now we have, okay, now we have probability. If this was candle is bullish, that means we have to calculate the previous one. This is a bullish, this is a bearish, okay, and a bullish, bearish, what is the context market? You have to understand. If this was a retracement, and the next should be a continuation, because this is inverted bullish hammer, this is weak, strong, and after this bearish it could happen also a doji, but this is the area is in the above the 1 deviation, which is the strong one, but the context here was like this. Okay, I will do a call option. Yes, call option. So I'm predicting like a bullish retracement candle continuation, okay, because the 20 EMA is up, all is up. The problem here, we still facing consolidation, and I'm expecting the last 3 candle will bullish, which is the higher high, higher low will be success. So I will explain in the last, okay. So simple, you just need to understand the context market, and for that you have to learn the ebook that I'm creating, and I found it new, okay. I found this way out of nowhere when I'm experimenting with the candlestick. So this is some kind of good trading strategy. Now you have to find this. Okay, this is Marubozu. Okay, and you have the previous one, a doji. This is like a bearish, a doji, and this is could be not so bullish, so be careful with that. But we are in line with the major trend, so it could be also weakness. I don't know, so I will not do anything here because we have here 6 candlestick in probability consolidation, but here the breakout happened. So let's see. I'm not facing this kind of situation like this one. Okay, higher high, higher low, so you just need to identify this is fail or not, doji, bearish or bullish. Okay, but you have to calculate this kind of doji. Okay, and this is kind of bearish and this is bullish. Okay, so what is happening here? Bullish, bearish, small, and then could be, I don't know. You see, it's a weak one. It's very critical in that area to do a call option or a continuation of higher high, higher low. I'm sorry. Okay. You see, this is not the situation to do a call option because we have consolidation possibility. Okay, in the 6 candlestick. We are in M1 and now we have to find something here. Now we have to wait again. What is happening? But what we know here was like we are in the bundle of consolidation after the breakout, possibly up, possibly down. It depends on this major. Okay, this is could be like this could be like down. So which one? I don't know. We just find the trend, which is lower high lower low or high 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 low. Here was a little bit significant, but this is not. I'm not trusting this kind of higher high high low, so I will wait for it. Even we can also predicting this, but honestly I'm not like this because this is not higher high higher low. This is in consolidation. This is like you have to see the pattern of broadening top in there in these 2 candlesticks. So in 5 seconds you will find that broadening top in there. And that is not my area. Okay, that's look like a higher high high low. Let's see what is the previous one. A doji and a bearish and a bullish. No, this is have a high chance to fail. You see, here was a round number, but I am not so sure. This is could be also aligned with the major. The problem with that failure is this is aligned with the major. It could be also success, but I'm not convinced with this because this candlestick is not has a sell buying pressure. Okay, it's maybe half, but I not get in there. I'm not get in my head. This is bearish. Okay, bullish, bearish, doji, bullish, higher low. This is weak. Look like strong, could be in the good position of the area. Yes, it's a bullish one. And now this is kind of trend. Okay, so could be no one can stop it. Don't ever do a put option here without a good confirmation. Maybe I have to find some level, guys. So this is my last trade. I have not have idea here. Okay, this is 838. This is was now around 23, maybe facing 23. Remember, this is micro level that you have to understand, and all is in my ebook. Okay, now we have, okay, now it's a little bit significant, you see, but the problem was this: bearish, bullish. Why different broker printing different candlestick? So which one? Don't know. Okay, I don't know. This can be a put option if they are in some kind of consolidation, but we have here some kind of bearish, doji, bullish. Okay, so if this, you have to calculate this one. Okay, so you have to predict the next, and you have to calculate this and this, this and this. Okay, what is the situation of the context here? This is look like a trend. Its market is up, so I will take a buy probability there. Okay, this is could be fail, but that is my probability, which is the weak candlestick, and this is the lost momentum candle. This will be a bullish because we align with the major trend, and this is the previous 7 candlestick was a bullish one. So let's see, maybe I'm also wrong, but this kind of technical analysis is for education. Okay, so let's see at the end, the entry point is very bad. If this was failed, then I wrong with the context. Okay, yes, I'm wrong with the context. So here now the probability of call option. Okay, so I will do a call here, because why? Because this 1 2 3 is so breakout, so strong. This should be a small bullish, because this is a bullish, then here a bullish, and here a doji. Okay, let's see a small bullish. Come on, come on. Because the previous one I lost, so this should be a bullish one. Yes, you see that? A small bullish. It's like a doji. Why I can't do that? Here I mistake. Okay, sometimes we have a mistake. Because why now you have to understand why here I'm wrong, and I have to also understand why I'm here wrong, because I'm not understanding the context. I'm wrong defining the context. What I mean here is like this. So I'm here expecting this. Okay, predicting this candlestick, and that's it means that I have to calculate this. See that? This, okay, and this doji, and this, maybe just around that. This is too much. Okay, and what I see, the EMA was so aligned, so this is uptrend. Okay, and what happened here, a bullish, this is higher low in the 6 candlestick. This is not like fake breakout, engulfing. No, this is like consolidation. This is kind of breakout. So this here I'm expecting a bullish candlestick, because I have to align with the major and this kind of trend. Okay, but the problem here, we are in some kind of consolidation here. Why? Because this is that I'm not see the hammer, it's broken. Okay, when the hammer is broken, this is could be also a strong pressure. That is why I'm not understanding. So we here at the ranging of what? Here. Alright, bam bam. back to support, make a doji in the higher time frame. So that is why I'm lost here. So that is the lesson for me. But the last is very critical, okay, but it's a weak bullish, okay, and then it's a bearish, okay. So now we have to wait again. So what is the time? Okay, 19 minutes. I think maybe one more. Okay, this is kind of good one. Higher high, higher low. So I have to calculate this and this. This is bearish, bearish. So this is will be in my opinion will be a put if has upper and lower shadow. Let's see, because this is a bearish, this is a bearish. So this against this kind of context of major consolidation, yes, I will do perfectly a put option. Yes, okay. But the entry point was not so nice, but I'm predicting here a bearish one. So let's see what's happening at the end of the trend. Now you have seen enough why what my analysis, okay. So if you want to have this kind of skill, you have to learn in my ebook. You can buy it in my website below. The link is on the description. Okay, maybe this is lost, guys. Let's see what happening. Is my prediction was correct, or it will become a doji and probably will get lost? But it has to be a bearish one, because yes, that was it. Okay, so how many trade? 1 2 3 4 5 trade, one loss. It's a kind of a good one. Okay, good ratio. Okay, why I can do a put here? Simple. Okay, very simple. That here was, what is this? High 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 low. Okay, but what is the context of the previous one? You have to calculate this. Okay, what is this? What is this? This is lower high lower low. And what is the major context? We are still in the ranging. So when it's happening something like this, it should be have a retracement in the third candlestick. But you see my entry was not so good example. You have to wait here to get the good entry point. But that is the analysis. Okay, so visiting my website, get the ebook, learn it, okay, and you will get this kind of skill to analyzing the market. I have a good foundation for the advanced. So when you want to have this kind of skill, you have to get the foundation, okay, because without the foundation you will be so hard to know the advance, okay. So and then the advance that will launch soon, okay. I still build up this kind of simple strategy and simple trading based only on 3 candlestick. Maybe I can also find some strategy of 5 candle, and this is can be used for M1, any kind of time frame. So thank you guys, see you and bye bye.